pleasure of attending the Sindhi Music Festival in my region of Peel. I would like to thank the Sindhi Association of North America, or SANA Canada, for inviting me. I also want to take the opportunity to congratulate the organizers, the volunteers, performers, and attendees for making it such a successful event. Without all of their hard work and dedication, it would not be possible to put together one of the largest shows of the Sindhi culture and music in our community. The Sindhis are an Indo-Aryan ethno-linguistic group who speak the Sindhi language and are native to the Sindhi province of Pakistan. And they are so very proud of their language and traditions, which they are passing on to their children, which was very evident at the event. Ontario is a vibrant province with a diverse community that welcomes residents from all around the world, and this is reflected in my riding of Mississauga Centre and across the region of Peel and, of course, across Ontario. In Ontario, we proudly share our culture, as well as celebrating the culture of our friends and neighbours of different backgrounds, and this is what makes my job as an MPP so very exciting. Experiencing the vibrant tapestry of cultures that make up Ontario is a true privilege. It is undoubtedly true that music is a universal language which transcends linguistic differences and unites people from diverse backgrounds. So I truly enjoyed listening to the different performers from all around the world and all the way from Pakistan. And I even danced to the different music that was there, and there's a video as well. But Mr. Speaker, I just wanted to say it's been an honor and privilege to serve the past 18 months, and I wish everyone a Merry Christmas, and thank you very much.